Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon count. We are going in Michael's to look at some wall decor planners and calendar because it's that time of the year, guys, to change everything, do some new stuff. So happy new year and happy new you. Come on, let's go look for some new stuff to start. Oh, these painters is $10.99 for a 7-pack. Everybody who trying to start over new paint and stuff, here it is right here, $10.99. Oh, look at that. All of this. See, new stuff out. All new storage. So look, we got a clearance event going on. Okay, all minus marked $1. They're $1 now. Oh, okay. What's these shimmer lights? So if it's marked for $1 to $2.99, it's $1. Okay, so what's that? Wood, clay, brick. It's a slime mixture. Okay. Got a couple of things over here. Squishies. They got the electro putty. Those are $1. Okay. Pens. They got a lot of squishies. That's $1. Okay, this plastic cord. Now I see people use that, and this is $1. But I'm gonna give it for my granddaughter because she makes stuff. Okay, let's look down in here, and then we're gonna go ahead on about our business. That's a bouquet, so that ain't $5. That's not $1 because it's up to $5. Okay, the floor moves balls, and I don't see no sign on that. I'm gonna get it because I use it, and then if it's not $1, I'll put it back. Okay. Oh, look at that 3D shimmer. I light up. Okay, let me see what that is. I like that. So guys, if you all do envelopes, it's time. So this is $1. If you do those cash envelopes, which I do, oh, look at that. That's cute. So this is cute, guys. Stuff you can put onto your envelope. Just different little stuff. That's DIY stuff you could do. And it's all of these. And it's a lot of little DIY. That's cute. Paper flowers. So it's 60% off the Christmas clearance stuff, as you can see. That fixture only. So it's just this. Those look like cookie houses or something. What is that? Oh, it's a nativity. Those little plastic houses. 60% off. So that's about $3. I don't want that. Okay, so stuff over here that's marked $3 to $4.99 is $3. Here is some more of those little things. But see, be kind, be a kind human. That's nice right there. So that's $3, and it's got all kind of different little stuff. I think I'm gonna grab this one, but basically for my niece. And look, here's one say choose happiness, world traveler, road trip, adventures, and it's tons of stuff in them, tons of it. So if you want to try different stuff, this will be it. Okay, washi tapes. Here you go, right here. The washi tapes, $3. Those are kind of cute. I like those. Got these washi tapes right here. Okay, what's that? That's the Stone Gems jewelry box, guys. Everything is $5. This is all $5. Okay, so that's kind of high to me. This is the clearance stuff. Another clearance mark down right here. What's that? That's the Snap Crack circuits. Oh, that's how you make the little circuits. My son got a motor for Christmas. His father bought him. And then here's a spirograph. Here is morph. Oh, that's that mixing stuff. You morph stuff into it. I see people do these and they sell them. Okay, guys. So here, what's that? Okay, get it done. Oh, those are designs. What is it though? It's a box with different stuff in it. It's for $6, but it's really $5. Okay, let's go around. Okay, 50 cents. 50 cents right here. So let's see what this is. Oh, look at that. Shine, keep calm. These are 50 cents. Let's see. 99 cents. Proud family. Okay, I like that, guys. And I think I'm going to grab some of these for my envelopes. So, I grabbed 4 sets of those. Okay, that don't look right. That don't look right. What is that? Those are rocks. Oh my goodness, they look disgusting. Okay, and what else is in here? You got jewels. That's 50 cents for those. Got all kind of little pieces. All kind of pens and pencils. This is loose stuff they probably had already. And let me see. What's that? cookie cutters, dough cutters, or whatever. It's a pineapple. All of these little cutters. I don't really deal with those, but I do the, look, they got the little tin boxes in there. Trays. These are 6. These are 3. It's 60 cents. And these are the Christmas. This is the Christmas fixture right here. That's 60 cents. Those were the little tiny lights that turned out to be so cute, guys. Okay, they put more clearance stuff out, so I'm gonna come back. Okay, so here's all of your box stuff, everything you need to start crafting again. And that's how they look. Those are so cute because they look vintage to me. And I especially like this one right here. That is so pretty. I love that one. So these, and how much are these? They $29. So those are $29. Some different right here. They got the tray on the outside of them. These are cute. We getting ready for the new year, guys. New year, whatever you want to start it now. You can do it. You got all these months to think about what you want to do. If you want to start crafting, you want to start selling stuff, get your stuff now. Michael's has a gigantic sale off on everything. And then their Christmas stuff is 60% off. You see all the Christmas stuff is so much of it on sale. See, all of that, all of it. It's so much. Christmas Express. They got 60% off. Look, there's the North Pole. That's the I'm gonna check the price on this. It say $24. Hopefully it's 60% off. Okay, so I like this one. That one $29. Yeah, no, I don't want to do none of that fancy. So cute right here. This was like the cutest to me. And here's more Christmas stuff that's 60% off right here. You see that? Guys, I'm gonna get to the planners and stuff, but like I just want to show you this deal, these good deals. Look at all that. Look at all of that. 60% off. These are garlands. These are garlands. And they start at $14.99 all the way up to like $24, but they nice, ain't they? Okay, so as soon as she finished putting out all the Christmas stuff, I'm gonna go back around there to it. Like they're here. They got tons of Christmas stuff actually that's still out. I'm trying to wonder why they got so much stuff. They still have all of their Christmas stuff out. Look at that. I don't want to make y'all too dizzy. Okay, so we over here where the planners. See that 2021 dated planners, they 50% off. And I always do the happy planner, but I'm creating my own planner. It probably won't get out. Hopefully it'll get out before this year is over. But I buy a planner every year. And the planner that I found out I really like is a happy planner. I like the happy planner. For one, I like a bigger planner. See that one? That one is big. And this is nice by Recollections right here. And it's got different stuff in it. Like, it's got your goals. It's got all of the months of the week in it. You can do like different little sayings. All the months of the week. All of that. All of the days of the month in it, guys. Okay, now here's some more planners down here. These are smaller planners right here. See, now this is kind of small to me. That's small compared to, that's the size of it. This is how it looks right here. And then it's got those. And then it's doing a little more of that. And it's doing some of that. And there it is. Let me look for Happy Planner, because Happy Planner is the one. Now these are by Recollection, so they carry Recollection. Happy Planner usually have the one where you stick the things, and here they are right here. This is Happy Planner right here. I think it is. Yep, the Happy Planner. Now Happy Planner is always going to have these on it. I noticed that's what they stand down from, this type. So it's so here, and they are kind of expensive to me, but it's well worth it. So I can't even, and I can't even find a price. Some look like they $19, some look like they $27. Now I always pay, I get it when it's half off, so I usually pay about $15 for mine. Here's one right here. Okay, so this one say $32. And another Happy Planner because of these. There's the name. Stay Wow. Then they have all this different stuff in it. See? And I love it, and I always use it because it comes with so much. Now this one been through the ringer. It's all bent up. I'm not gonna get that one because it's been through the ringer. But I like let's see. Well, and they kind of like they shrink it to smaller ones. Now this one is a little small. This one is 10.99. So that means it's half 5.50, right? See, see, they ripping these off of there. But this is another one. Stay happy. I actually like that, and it's actually smaller. And I actually like that it's smaller. Okay, so I'm think about that one, which this is ripped off. That's what I don't like. We are stronger together. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Now I like that. Now that one caught my eye. Oh, and this is one put together, so it's all still together. And I actually like the way that one looks. So this one, July 20 to December 21, and that's perfect. I don't need the July part in there, but you know. But that's an 18-month planner. This is a 12-month planner, which usually that's what I get because I don't need an 18-month planner. I kind of fill mine out. Okay. Okay. So here's a good one right here. But it is small. That's my problem. Like this too, a well-planned day. That one is cute. Then you got one disconnect to reconnect. Another 18-month planner. Then you got one with happy face on. This is a 12-month planner. You got emojis. Emoji is much. See that one, the 12-month much thinner, and that's the 18-month. Count your lucky stars. That's pretty too. Another happy planner. Okay, 18-month. Now this is just called a happy journal, and I don't know if this by Happy Planner. It is by Happy Planner. Okay, and that's a journal. So let me show you. So this is how I look in there. It's more of more writing, that type of stuff, than it is dates. Okay, I like this one. This one, so your heart knows the way. Okay, another one, which is 18 months. I do not need an 18-month calendar. It is still put together. The plastic is still on it. Everything is still locked in. And some of them just $32. Some of them are $12. But we right now, remember, everything is half off. So this is a good deal right here. Here's another. The magic is in you, babe. I like that. That's cute. Now that's really cute because I can't squeeze that down in a bag. So I really like that. Okay, so here it is. Grow where you are planted. I love that saying. Okay, and this is the 12-month plant, but it's another little one. I want a big planter. So I might end up with the 18-month planter and a big one because I do not like the small ones. Now, here is one right here. Create your own kind of beautiful. I love that. And this has everything to it. Now, I think this one should be about $29, $39. This one is actually $40, and I do not want to pay $40 for a planner. I actually like this. We'll say we are stronger together, but it's another 18 month. Broke the plastic. They broke the plastic off of, so I really don't want that. Now, some of the planner stuff, the calendar. Here, right here, this is $5. It's nurse. It's everything got to do with nursing. That's me. I'm a nurse. And it's by Happy Planner also. And another thing, I'm not getting anything for Happy Planner. They just happen to be somebody that I like to buy. Here's another Happy Planner, $5.97 for the stickers. Happy illustrations. They got illustrations in here. So they got a lot of different stuff you could do. You could put, oh, look at that. Oh, I like that. Okay. But I am a nurse, so I think I'll probably stick with the nursing one. And as you can see, the Happy Planners, they've been on sale for a minute, so they kind of cleaning out real. They going quickly. Now this one, but they small. If I can get a big one, that's 12 months. I'll grab it, and I don't like this one. You guys know my thing. I don't like I'm not a person that don't give me a lot of flowers because I don't like them. Okay. Oh, I like this one. This is my year. I'm gonna grab this one, guys. I'm gonna grab this one. Okay. These scrapbooks are 50% off at this time, and photo albums. They all 50% off. See, all the scrapbook photo, buy one, get one 50% off. Okay, so I read that wrong. Don't be dropping me no messages now. I read it wrong. Okay, so whoever make those cash envelopes, here you go. Buy one, get two free. Buy one at regular price and get the second and third of equal or lesser value free. So they gonna get rid of this stuff. Okay, and the front of the book shows you everything that's here in this thing. Now, if you do cash envelopes, this is it right here. They giving them away. How much are they? I gotta see the price on them. Okay, this is a travel one. Well, bon voyage. Okay, and everything has got to do with traveling, which I think that'll make a good one. Somebody might like that one with the blossoms on it. You guys know I don't like that, so I wouldn't get that one. Okay. And then here's one craft baby accessory. It's all these different colors. That's boring to me. Okay, I like that one. I like this one. So remember, we get some free. Okay, and here's one pastel glitter. So I grab these right here because you could decorate how you want to with those. And here's all of the tape, all of it. Okay, here's some more happy planner stuff. Oh, that's pretty right there. Okay, I like that. So happy planner is on sale. Okay. All on sale. All of this for your things is on sale right here. So I would probably go after the dollar stuff. Right here, adhesive patch planners. All of this stuff is $1. So I think I went over here with you guys about this stuff. These are like, if you are a big you do cash envelopes, you do planners, this is it right here. So look at that. You got all type of little washi cards. Oh, it's not cute. I'm only gonna do like 2. I only want like 1 or 2 washi cards right here. They're $1. Now you can get these and go overboard. Next thing you know, you're looking at about $50 worth of stuff, guys. So be careful when you come in here and start buying, okay? Okay, so then you gotta watch where they at too. That's another thing. Try to watch where they located at, because you need to read it and see. And see, I'm looking at a Hawaiian, but it was right there. So I'm gonna grab this and see if it don't come up $1, it's going back. Oh, look at that! There's something over here for sisters, 50 cents. And like they got tons of stuff. Oh my goodness, I knew this. I told my mom I would miss. I said I don't want to miss the sale. So here's some more. And then I have a cousin that aunt, she is fascinated. She loves these things. So, oh, let's get the llama. The llama famous. Oh, that's cute, rock and roll. Okay, I like that one with the army. Okay, fisherman. There's a good. And here is guitars for 50 cents. My granddaughter loves these. She is gonna flip out because I buy a lot of these. You just move this tray back and it's more. See, you got beer. Oh my God. So that's for your beer, right there. And then you got the mommy stickers. Go that way, go this way. You got these. Now you can grab the 50-cent stickers instead of the $1 stickers, but they got tons of them. My mother gonna be just, I'll let her know. So it's so many of them though, guys. But see all of this? No reason not to create. Create, guys. Learn to create. Get out of that not doing nothing. I got my mother into this, and it's like a whole new world for her. She loves it. Okay, so I'll leave you out with a little visual, and then we're gonna go to calendars if we could find them. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go over here and look right back at the clearance, and then I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, so let's see what else she put back over here. So what is this? Oh, that's a glue gun she put over here. What is, no, a quilter's basting thing. I said it was glue gun. Lord have mercy. And what's this? A large die cutting machine, $99. Oh, no, what's that? It's a sticker box for $3. Okay. Then we got all of these enamel stains. Okay, guys. These were $19 for this pack, and it had 24 sheets in it. It has to say hot buy. Buy 1, get 2 free. So these are the 2 that I got for free, whichever one I paid for. But I had one that did not say hot buy, and so you have to get the ones that say hot buy. But they also have like stickers and everything over there. Buy 1, get 2 free. So run to Micheals, guys. It's a great sale, great on planners, great. I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys, and be looking for me in the next video. Bye.